Today I'll show you how to create Spotify account in 2 minutes. So let's start. First of all, go to a browser, then type Spotify. After that, you will see spotify.com. Now click on that. After that, you will see the options, then click to the three-dot menu here. So click on three-dot menu and click on sign up option. After that, you will see lots of options there. Just fill up those, type an email, confirm the mail and create a password and choose a username, and then type your day, month, year, and then choose the gender and tick on the 2 mark and click to the I am not robot option. And then after clicking to the sign up option, your account will be created. After that, you can be log into your Spotify app or whatever you want. So that's the process how you can as well how you can create Spotify account. So one method that also you can sign up with Facebook, you can sign up with Google. If you click to the sign up with Google, then Spotify will redirect to the Google option. So that's all for today. I hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos.